there. So I bought this Lego Technic Lamborghini Advanced Sports Car set for my 12-year-old son. He has done Legos for a long time. He was just looking for something a little more challenging, and this has a lot of Technic pieces, so this was great. He really loves working with Technic. And as a mom, what I really loved about it is it took some like engineering skills as well as some problem solving skills, because he had to figure out how things worked. He ran into a few like roadblocks. He's like, wait, how do I do this? And he had to figure it out. It also is really good for fine motor skills. I mean, there's so many different tiny pieces you have to put in here. You can see on the bottom, it looks like this. So lots of Lego Technic. And the doors, what he likes about it is he likes that the doors open. So that's a fun little thing there. And then this knob up here twists the wheels if you build it correctly. He also loves that it's a nice piece to just display in his room. It's pretty cool. He's not a huge car person, but I think whether you love sports cars or not, it's a really neat build. So I would highly recommend this. I know he would as well. This is what the front looks like, the top. You can see back here, as you move it, these little piston pieces move in there. As you can see, that's another neat feature. This is the back, and then the other side pretty much looks the same. Again, the doors open. Highly recommend this for anyone who's looking for a really cool Technic set that could also be a nice display piece.